guys, welcome back to your channel. It's been long since we spoke, and आज जिस चीज़ के बारे में मैं बात करने वाला हूँ, it's a little bit of a controversial topic. हमें पता है कि there's this entire movement that's going on in the world regarding Black Lives Matter. इस टॉपिक को एड्रेस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, especially for those who are planning to move to this country and trying to make sure that they understand what the situation is like here in Canada. So the question is, how do you actually define racism? हर एक बंदे के लिए अलग अलग डेफिनेशंस होती है रेसिज्म की. किसी के लिए racism could be just a casual thing. आप किसी से बात करें, you just call the person किसी नाम से बुला देना. That's casual racism. Then there is another sort of racism which is white versus black, that sort of a racism. But in सबके बीच the reality is race exists. कुछ लोग अलग तरह के दिखते हैं हमसे, कुछ लोग हमारे जैसे दिखते हैं, बट इससे किसी को कोई राइट नहीं मिल जाता कि वो किसी और को अपने से इन्फीरियर समझे जस्ट बेस्ड ऑन कि वो किस तरह दिखता है या दिखती है. सो इस टॉपिक को एड्रेस करना बहुत ज़रूरी था. एंड देन फॉर पीपल हु आर मूविंग हियर, लेट मी बी वेरी क्लियर, लाइक आई एम नॉट गोना शुगर कोट इट. मैं उसको क्लियरली ये नहीं कहूँगा कि ओके ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. येस, देयर इज सिस्टमिक रेसिज्म. इट्स अ रियलिटी. इट्स अ रियलिटी नॉट ओनली हियर बट एवरीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड, राइट? The question is, does it actually happen that often? My personal experience is not very often. I do believe that there are certain people who carry a sense of superiority, and ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो white population ही हो. They could be blacks as well, or they could be brown people as well. But there is, I won't deny that there is no racism. Like few of my friends have experienced bits of racist comments इस country में भी, but that doesn't mean you can paint the entire picture just based on a few incidents. In fact, right now the movement is about Black Lives Matter, but I think all lives matter, as even people who are racially marginalized would say that all lives matter. The whole thing is कि like Canada has let me not say Canada, the world has to rise above the color of a person. The world has to get rid of that fact कि he's white or he's black or he's brown. These are just colors. These are just colors. That's how God made you. So किसी को you're trying to say कि I'm superior because I look a certain way is completely absurd. Like there's no way one should even think that way, because it's completely wrong. It's wrong. Maybe few centuries ago that was a thing, when people thought we are superior. But in today's world, the CEOs of the largest companies in the world, the multinationals, are people of various colors. I don't even need to mention names because you already know. That is something that should be celebrated. Race is something जिसे हमें celebrate करना चाहिए. The second question is, which might be in your mind, कि अगर racism exist करता है इस country में तो उसका आपके ऊपर क्या effect होता है? Well, to be frank, this country gives good opportunities to people from all races. But then, having said that, there's always an underlying current कि a particular race might want to be in the lead, right? But it's something that one has to understand कि if you're talented, if अगर आपके पास talent है, अगर आप you are trying to do what you have to, अगर आपके पास talent है, if you have skills, if you are great at your work, there's no power on this world, there's no power on this world who can stop you from getting what you deserve. So whatever people may say, whatever people may try to do, people may, try to suppress you, or people may try to make you feel bad about from in case if you come from a particular region or particular country, you always need to remember कि अगर आपके पास talent है तो आपको कोई नहीं suppress कर पाएगा, because you'll always rise like a phoenix, you'll always shine bright, and remember that. And ऐसा बहुत लोगों के साथ हुआ है यहाँ पे. People have come here, people have felt they're not interacting correctly with certain kinds of races. लेकिन ये होने के बाद भी you would see that the government is also diverse now. The defense minister, you have the science and technology minister. So these are signs where एक ऐसा environment बन रहा है where all races are trying to get their due, and इससे अच्छी चीज़ मुझे नहीं दिखती. So I am a positive person, so I always try to see positive things in life. There's a good amount of movement that's going on here, a huge movement about Black Lives Matter, and I totally support it because I feel this systemic racism does exist and we need to get rid of it. We definitely need to get rid of it. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप एक पूरी की पूरी कम्युनिटी को या पूरे कंट्री को मार्जिनलाइज कर दें, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे लोग अच्छे होते हैं या लोग बुरे होते हैं. कोई कम्युनिटी या कोई रिलीजन या कोई color is not bad. It's just that how it is. That was my small update on what I feel really, what I strongly feel about this particular topic. I'm gonna make sure that I increase the frequencies of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like. Love you guys. Bye bye.